Welcome to our guide on utilizing the infrared night vision function of your Xiaomi C400 smart camera. Ever pondered how to monitor your surroundings even when darkness falls? Stay tuned as we walk you through it. First, open the My Home app on your smartphone. Select your camera and tap on it to enter the live view. Navigate to the settings by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner. Once inside, choose Camera Settings, then scroll down to Night Vision. Within this menu, you'll find options like Auto, On, and Off. Turn it on to manually trigger the infrared night vision feature. If you prefer a hands-free approach, select Auto. This allows the camera to switch to night vision automatically in low light conditions. Now, let's view the live feed. You may notice the image appearing in black and white, indicating that the infrared night vision is active. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C400 camera in the playlist, linked in the description below.